हाँ मैं गया था, मैयत में गया था, but not out of choice. See, in those days there was no source of income besides going for events for actors. Either you did movies or went for events. I reached there, saw so much crowd outside in white. I said, big event. Big event. Got out of the car. और धक्के धक्के पहुंच के मैं पहुंचा, I saw the dead body. So I'm so innocent. I thought कि शायद वो organizer मर गया. He came up to me and says, it's a funeral, I've called you. I couldn't shout at him. I couldn't throw a tantrum. I'm in the middle of a funeral, body is right in front.
और एक funeral ना हो.
नहीं, मेरे को बोलता है, अगर आप रोएंगे ना, तो मैं ज़्यादा पैसे देता.
तो तूने क्या किया?
The other actor who came with me, he cried a lot. उसको 50,000 ज़्यादा मिल गए.
Like for example, I was not giving them a date for this promotional thing.
They paid you? Hello?
But Diana, when it comes to you, don't worry, I'm not asking cocktail 2 or re-release
You
of
can
cocktail.
ask whatever you want.
You can ask for a cocktail, we'll get you. Time हो गया अभी. All the big Bollywood parties happened where we're sitting and doing this interview, and I remember Shakti Kapoor. We both came for that party tonight. He got me through that door we walked in, and there were big producers and directors, and he took me to everyone.
Wow.
And he says, "Do you have money in your pocket?" And even if they had $100, he removed it and he gave it to me. He says, "You're signing this boy today." He actually made me sign 5-6 films that night in this party. In those days, we all worked like that.
It's very difficult for me to feel low about something. Very difficult. And everyone says, you know, you became successful in your 40s. No, I became an actor in my 40s. I was a successful photographer before that.
Yeah.
I was a successful shopkeeper before that.
Chandrasekhar, when Ananya initially faced scrutiny, did as father that bothered you?
You know, when it comes onto your child, you can take it, but all I could tell her was,
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I can stand with the fun-loving and amazing cast of Detective Sher Dil. But I've seen the movie and I think जो emotions movie में cover हुए हैं ना, it resonates with how we as humans are in real life, right? Money होता है, success होता है, there is this emotion of greed attached to it. I want to ask to all of you, what has been, like, have you guys ever gone out of way or done something you didn't want to just to get that money or fulfill that greed of
This
money?
is a common theme.
No, because I've read something about him and I don't know really
like,
about that.
What? He doesn't know it
आवाज
himself.
के पुजारी.
He doesn't know it himself.
You're representing this.
But what you read about him, tell us.
stream of thought.
He attended funerals.
Funeral. No, that was by mistake. Maman sir,
Printed it by
Haji,
mistake.
Haji,
No,
एक
it happened by
second.
mistake.
Let me clear
let
his
me
own name.
clarify. हाँ मैं गया था, मैयत में गया था, but not out of choice. See, in those days there was no source of income besides going for events for actors. Either you did movies or went for events. There was no Instagram, YouTube, nothing. No ads also. Actors never got ads. It was a different world that time. So one day one event organizer called me up सुबह and said, यार एक event हो रहा है, पर आप फ्री हो? I said, मेरी फिल्म सिटी में शूटिंग है सर, वेरी गुड, गोरेगांव में ही है, रास्ते में है. I said, क्या इवेंट है? आप आओ ना, बहुत अच्छा है, 10 मिनट के लिए आना है. I said, अभी आता हूँ. There were no mobile, handphone, landline. He says, हाँ but आप जब आएंगे सफ़ेद कपड़े पहन के आना. So I thought must be some theme of the event.
Didn't tell you?
Didn't tell at all. I reached there, saw so much crowd outside in white. I said, big event.
Big event.
Got out of the car and before I knew it, they got surprised seeing me. और धक्के धक्के पहुंच के मैं पहुंचा, I saw the dead body. So I'm so innocent. I thought कि शायद वो organizer मर गया. Because मैंने body देखी, I said यार ये गड़बड़ होगी, मर गया. Then I saw him standing there.
Who's standing who? The dead body?
The organizer.
Ah.
I said, who died? So he says, he came up to me and says, it's a funeral, I've called you. I couldn't shout at him. I couldn't throw a tantrum. I'm in the middle of a funeral, body is right in front of me.
और एक funeral ना हो.
नहीं, मेरे को बोलता है, अगर आप रोएंगे ना, तो मैं ज़्यादा पैसे दूंगा.
तो तूने क्या किया?
But I didn't know what to do, यार.
This is so awful, we should not be laughing.
We can laugh. No, it's okay. It's done.
Dead body के पाँव
फूट के रोया. नहीं, मैं और एक एक्टर आया था. आई एम नॉट अ वेरी गुड इमोशनल पर्सन, तो आई रिफ्यूज बिकॉज़ आई सेड आई डोंट वांट टू स्टार्ट लाफिंग. द अदर एक्टर हु केम विद मी, ही क्राइड अ लॉट. उसको 50,000 ज्यादा मिल गए.
50,000 रुपया
उन दिनों में
That
बहुत
is crazy.
to cry?
अटेंडिंग के अलग.
Oh my God! But really, people would call for.
There was a reason why we were caught there.
Why? Are you going to tell us?
अब वो भी सुनना है आपको रीजन.
नहीं हो गया 15 मिनट हो गया इनका.
अच्छा जो
बोल देना यार,
जो,
मजा आ रहा है.
जो ऑफ हो गया था ना, उसने मार्केट से बहुत पैसे उठाए थे. तो his family was scared that they may have to return the money he had borrowed. So they spread the rumor that he produced a film और उसके सब पैसे चले गए उसमें. तो फिल्म कहाँ से? फिल्म एक्टरों को बुलाओ. So that was the story. Yeah, I'm talking about 35 years ago.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, 38 actually.
Times were different back then.
But
There was no way of googling and finding out ये producer है कि नहीं. You know, it was like innocent days. Like मुझे
Producer.
पता नहीं था कि मुझे मैयत में बुलाया.
But what a story. What a story.
Loving it.
Banita.
What was the question?
Did you do anything for greed of money?
Have you ever gone out of the
लेकिन
way
तू रोया
just to
नहीं.
get that extra money?
I mean, not, no. Sorry.
I think after you said everyone are thinking.
No, not really.
For money,
For
some.
small odd jobs here, I mean, like, you know, digital deal and brand deal, whatever. But not
Yeah,
for,
but
I've
that's
not
our
done it.
job, you
Yeah,
know, like
but not
it's...
for anything major.
Baman sir.
Baman sir must have done.
sorry,
100, you must have done.
100%. I mean, why not? You go here, you show up, you get money for it, end of story. Like for example, I was not giving them a date for this promotional thing.
They paid you? Hello?
Now the deal is done.
Done?
Yeah, and your reputation is very bad. Being paid for going to funerals and all.
Sit down. Okay.
Yeah. Mazak kar raha hu. No. Of course, we've attended parties, attended weddings, attended.
Weddings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, why
Mundan,
not?
Mundan गए.
Mundan?
हाँ.
For what?
Child's Mundan.
No.
You have even been there. Sumit.
No, I've done stuff for money, of course. I've
Like-
done,
like?
yeah, acting jobs for money.
नहीं नहीं acting.
Don't be boring. Tell
अरे
us.
कुछ
something.
और बता.
कुछ ऐसा अजीब नहीं किया. I mean, I would love to, but मुझे बुलाया ही नहीं किसी ने. और बुलाया तो पैसे नहीं दिए.
ओए ऐसे भी हुआ है?
हाँ, तो ऐसे बुलाया.
अच्छा means free में बुलाया.
हाँ.
But you know, when it comes to your character in the movie, na, the father-son relationship we see your father is always doubtful of your caliber, of your capabilities, right? So, in real life, have you ever encountered such moments where you had a self-doubt or people around you doubted your capacity? Maybe?
All the time.
Even I doubt his ability.
Yeah. Everybody doubts me and then I also doubt myself. So,
He's a wonderful, wonderful guy, wonderful actor.
Good actor. Very good actor.
yeah, but I think it's a good thing. Na?
Yeah,
थोड़ा doubt रहना चाहिए.
exactly.
मजा आता है.
Well, Banita, you know, when it comes to you, you come from West, right? And when you came here, initially, did you face that language barrier, or maybe to make that mark that okay, I can convince and play roles in Hindi movies as well?
There was definitely a language barrier when I came for the... It was my first time in India. I'd never been before, and I came for work, and I really just learnt on the job, and I just feel grateful that I got to work with directors like Shujit sir, who just really kind of guided me. So yeah, it was definitely... It was weird because it was this country I've never been to before, but it also, being Indian, felt like somewhat of a homecoming. It felt also quite familiar.
Yeah.
So it was this weird juxtaposition of I'm in this unknown country to me, but I felt so at home at the same time. So
Exactly.
yeah.
But I think you are also playing mute character for the second time. I know you are also deaf in this movie, but you are playing it for the second time, right? And when it happened,
In Udam.
Sardar Udam.
But Udam was like a 5 minutes.
Yeah, but your character
Huh.
sketch was such a way, right? And at that time, I saw the makers were telling that Banita has this expressive eyes, and that's what steals the cake whenever she is in a project, right?
Aw.
How do you reflect on the praise that comes to you this way?
I can't, I don't know. I feel really grateful that people say that about me. I just kind of just want to focus on my work and hopefully do a good job. Who knows what they'll say after this movie.
No, it will
Hopefully
definitely
it's
be
the same, but
appreciated.
yeah. Thank you.
But Diana, when it comes to you, don't worry, I'm not asking cocktail 2 or re-release
You
of
can
Cocktail.
ask. You can ask whatever you want.
You can ask for a cocktail, we'll get you. Time ho gaya abhi.
But you know, when that movie came, there was a gap of 3 years.
So you are asking about Cocktail?
No, I'm asking about the gap. That gap after the movie, and now is the year you are doing 3 movies together, right? How do
Making
you,
up for all the lost time.
Yeah, exactly. But you know, did that phase somewhere or other bothered you, where you were maybe not getting the right work, or it didn't transition into the work you wanted?
I'm generally a very patient person in life. I have the patience of a saint, if I may say so myself. So I feel like it was easier for me because of the fact that I just kept telling myself, it'll come, it'll happen, it'll happen. So I didn't let it bother me or affect me too much. But I feel as time has gone by, I'm suddenly like, I'm getting more impatient now and I want to do more, and you know, I feel like time is short and there's so much to accomplish. So I think that's why back to back now there's a lot more going on, and I really hope it stays that way because I enjoy working, and it's been very nice to, you know, be busy and to do so many different kinds of roles and to have them all release one after the other. So yeah.
Divine timing.
But Bhavan, so when you went to Cannes this time, we saw the kind of appreciation Bollywood content or Hindi cinema got this time, right? So when you see this narrative about Bollywood being constantly compared to the West or Hollywood, or now there is a division with South as well, right? South cinema, Bollywood. Where do you think we are going wrong?
Wrong?
Or do you feel that such comparisons should not happen? Because we have been in direction
People
and
can
writing
compare, it's their prerogative. Audiences can say what they want.
Yeah.
It's just up to us to keep on knocking away and trying to find not only newer subjects, but newer ways to tell those subjects.
Yeah.
A new voice, a new take on something. And I think, you know, watching in the last 2-3 years, the kind of films that have been made, including Lapata Ladies and 12th Fail and Payal's film, Neeraj's film. I would love to add my film to that to a list of films that are trying to say something that is unique and individualistic and stay memorable. That's our endeavor, and we have to keep trying. And even if you fail, you just keep trying, because I think eventually, if we are going to speak of a country that's emerging, this is one of the softest powers that we have, which can be a very, very huge power, just to get the world's view on this country.
True.
And it can be A, a power, B, a big financial, what's the word? Money-making enterprise, an industry. Huge, can be a much bigger industry, a worldwide industry. So we've got to send our movies across the world for people to say, okay, we've seen a certain kind of cinema coming out of this country, and now there's a new voice coming out of this country.
True.
And I think it's very important to spread the word globally.
Yeah, exactly. But so, you know, you have I'm sure seen trying times in your career as well. Like, I mean, every actor goes through these ups and downs, right?
Right.
What have been those low moments that have shaped you, the person you are today?
As an actor,
Yeah.
I have never felt low as an actor. And if there are times that I may not have got, you know, some of the films may not have turned out the way, that's part of the curve, man. You've got to accept it. You can't say that every film of mine. No, we learn, we try, we fail, we get up, we dust ourselves, we move on. Because I don't know, it's very difficult for me to feel low about something. Very difficult.
Exactly.
And everyone says, you know, you became successful in your 40s. No, I became an actor in my 40s. I was a successful photographer before that.
Yeah.
I was a successful shopkeeper before that. It's just whatever you do, you got to make it. So fame is one thing. But having said that, I'm eternally grateful ever since I was 43 or 44 when I did my first film. I am grateful for whatever's come my way. So if I'm going to feel low after all that the world has given me, through my hard work, of course, then I'm stupid to allow myself feeling low. I'm ever the optimist, as you can see.
Yeah.
I'm ever the optimist. Some films didn't work, so move on. Make your own.
It's a great mentality, honestly.
Isn't it?
It really is. It's the only mentality I think you can have to survive this industry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really.
Because the moment you shrug your shoulders or your shoulders are up, you start moving in that direction yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
you start crawling.
Yeah.
Mindset. Exactly. But Chunky sir, you know, when you came in the industry, you have mentioned it several times that there was a competition, right? In today's time, we are seeing the narrative that okay, even two actors, actresses are not willing to do a movie together. But you came from a very, very secure space, right? How do you see the competition back then, and now do you feel there is a shift?
Same. There was that same talk that time also about. There was nepotism talk at that time. There was multi-starers, and then who's going to get top billing in a film. So these kind of problems have been eternally there. It's now they're more amplified because of social media and other things.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not changed. It's all been the same.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you also mentioned once how Shakti Kapoor helped you in getting films that time when
Yes.
maybe you were not, getting the right offers.
No, it's not. It is in this ballroom in Sun and Sand. There was a film party going on.
No way.
Yes, this ballroom.
This is a very famous room, by
Very
the way.
famous room.
A lot of it is called Jubilee Room.
Jubilee room.
yeah.
All the big Bollywood parties happened where we're sitting and doing this interview. And I remember Shakti Kapoor I'd just shot my first scene with him, and he had seen my work. And we both came for that party tonight. He got me through that door. We walked in, and there were big producers and directors, and he took me to everyone. And he says, "Do you have money in your pocket?" And even if they had $100, he removed it and he gave it to me. He says, "You're signing this boy today."
Really?
He actually made me sign 5-6 films that night in
Wow.
this party. So he was very
That's
instrumental in,
amazing.
and that was the heart, of his to.
Yeah. But so, that's what I was asking. Ki that time, it was a security of his, right? That he gave you films. He was not secure. I want to ask, do you see that
But we
industry
all work
support
like that.
lacking
And-
today?
No. It's in those days we all worked like that.
Yeah.
All actors recommended other actors and took them to producers and directors.
And then we the one odd insecure actor who will
जो
not.
नहीं करता था, but most of it was like a family thing only. Now they don't need to, because now the casting directors have come in. Now there's social media, so there's different ways of operating. But in those days we couldn't reach out to people. There was less awareness, so you needed someone to help you out all the time.
But since you're mentioning social media, I have a question for everyone. Do you feel पहले ना movie critic होती थी by the performances, by how the movie's direction is, right? When today times are shifting to say harsh commenting, trolling, as an actor, does it bog you down or bothers you with the kind of shift that is happening?
I don't get bothered so easy.
It's part and parcel of the
I don't get
बहुत
bothered.
गालियाँ दी
And I feel with or without social media, your film is going to find an audience that loves it, and then there's going to be one section of the public that doesn't. In any case, either way, right? So you have to, as long as you accept that as an actor and a filmmaker, if you accept that, then it's not going to bother you so much, because
Exactly.
you kind of have to respect the fact that not everyone's going to love your film or your work.
Nobody can put a good film down, let me tell you.
Yeah.
And it's easier, right? It's easier to pan something or somebody or some project. It's harder to make something.
No, but I tell you, it's a known fact, and I've heard this from the press, and you're from the press, that these websites put out 2 reviews. One is a good review, which gets no views, and there's a bad review that gets 1,000 views. So people, and we are to blame for it, because we love reading shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so whether they like it or not, they got to write it. So it's like,
I had no
it's
idea.
getting the likes. Yeah, it's true.
That's crazy.
If you just
You mean like
go,
clickbait type stuff?
you just go to many websites and see they'll always put up 2 reviews of a film in a span of 2 days, and from different authors. वो एक अच्छा बोलेगा और एक band बजाएगा.
Band बजाएगा.
And the band baja gets the best thing. So it's we are to blame.
Just
because
keep doing good work, yeah.
True.
Yeah.
No one can put it down.
If you've had a good time watching something, you've had a good time.
Good time.
No-
yeah.
Nobody and
no
nothing
can
can
take it
change
away.
that.
Yeah.
Exactly. But just to wrap this, Chunky sir, when Ananya initially faced scrutiny, did as father that bothered you? Because आपके time पे you took it with a pinch of salt, all the criticism that came your way, right? But when it happened with Ananya, now that she has got all the acclaim, critical acclaim,
Thank you.
did that phase bother you?
It did. I mean, of course, when it comes on to your child, you can take it. But all I could tell her was, the only reason they're talking about you is because you mean something. So all news is good news. No news is very bad news. As far as you're in the news, you're good. So don't let it worry you. Of course, she was a young kid. She was 17, 18 when she started. So it must have initially affected her, I'm sure. It did. But I think she's learned to come out of it, and she's got to fight her own battles. Yeah.
Exactly.
But you're relevant, that's why people are talking. So there couldn't be no other reason. So don't feel bad. Whatever shit they're saying.
Too good, Chunks.
Yeah, that's all I could tell her, I mean, I guess. Yeah.
Too good.
Well, thank you so much. I know we are short on time, so I could just not ask anything good. But I would like to say the movie is really thrilling, mysterious,
Lovely.
and everyone should find out who the real killer is.
Is on 20th June on
20th of June.
Z. Bye.
Lovely.
Waiting to find out.
Lovely note. Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Sumit Vyas.
Hi, my name is Baman Irani.
Hi, this is Diana Penty.
Hi, I'm Benita Sandhu.
Hi, this is Chunky Pandey.
And you're
You're
watching me on Bollywood
Bollywood
Bubble.
Bubble.